Electrostyle Heavy Engineering Works was founded in 1942 and is one of the most important companies in the Russian heavy engineering industry. During the years of production, EZTM JSC has manufactured hundreds of machines and equipment used not only in Russia and the CIS, but all over the world. Germany, India, China, Japan, Bulgaria, Czech Republic, Iran, Mongolia, Slovakia, Cuba, USA, and many others. Our products have the perfect reputation, which is confirmed by the certificate fulfilling the demands of the international standard ISO 9001. Nowadays, EZTM JSC is a modern company capable to perform design, manufacturing and supplies of the unique, complete equipment for tubing, metallurgic, gas, concrete and mining industries. Our production facilities are distinguished by their full autonomy, capability to produce the new equipment without cooperation with any other company. EZTM JSC has full technological cycle of production, metallurgic, welding, machining and auxiliary. The company has fully functioning engineering and technological departments, research lab and experimental base. To create effective manufacturing processes, EZTM JSC has developed the Production Technical Revamping Program. The project of a regional ladle metallurgy facility at steel casting shop has been implemented as a part of the Production Technical Revamping Program. The company performs casting of different steel grades, followed by the ladle treatment using Aqueous 40, including degassing. That allows to increase casting and forging quality up to the worldwide standards and significantly increase the equipment lifetime. EZTM JSC has large experience of making castings with different configurations weighing up to 100 tons, that is, rings and tires, rollers, gear rings, bodies and parts of stands, plates of the apron feeders and others. EZTM equipment makes it possible to produce following types of thermal and chemical thermal treatment: annealing, normalization, quenching, tempering and cauterizing. The press forging shop of the plant has a new forging complex based on Press 3000 and manipulator with 35 tons carrying capacity instead of an old hydraulic press. New heating furnace is put into work. EZTM JSC supplies forgings weighing up to 25 tons. All forgings undergo mandatory preliminary heat treatment, annealing or normalization with tempering. 2 new thermal furnaces made by BOSIO Slovenia have been put into work in the machine assembly shop 2. EZTM JSC has machine units with wide technological capabilities. The machine assembly production numbers about 500 metal cutting units, including special and unique mills, treating centers and stands with CNC. During the last 2 years, 8 new machine units with program control have been bought and put into work. 2 metal turning machines with CNC Micros 12T. Using NC controller with these machines, it is possible to treat shaped, spherical or cone profiles. Toshiline PowerTurn 3000 and Toshiline PowerTurn 1250 CM, Czech Republic. Rotary table milling centers with the Siemens Sinumeric 840D PL and 840D SL controls. These centers have revolving table diameters of 3 meters and 1250 millimeters. Those allow heavy rotary bodies treating. It is currently used for finishing machining of oil film bearings parts. EZTM is the sole company in Russia engaged in manufacturing of this type of products. It is also used for finishing rotary treatment of flanges, bodies, sleeves, etc. TOS Varnsdorf WHQ13 CNC, Varnsdorf, Czech Republic. Horizontal Boring Treatment Center, TOS Varnsdorf WHQ13 CNC, Varnsdorf, Czech Republic. This treatment center has rotary table with 20 tons carrying capacity. It is used for cutting, drilling, piercing of the body parts. The machining workstation is used for the sizes up to 6 or 7 quality classes. 2 units of turn milling machines with CNC Fanuc 01TF. Center to center distance is 1200 mm or 1700 mm accordingly. Made in Taiwan. These machines are used for finished treatment of shafts, flanges, covers and sleeves. The maximum diameter of turning is up to 450 millimeters. With cutting functions included, it is possible to make cutting, drilling and turning using one machine without remounting the part. The manufactured part's accuracy is up to Class 6. The boring and turning mills are used for treating the parts with 8 meters of diameter and 2.5 meters of height. The boring machines are used for treating body and frame parts up to 12 meters of length and 4 meters of height. The treatment centers treat the parts up to 2 meters of length and up to 1.6 meters of height. There is a whole variety of gear production machinery, gear shaping, gear milling, gear planing and gear grinding machines. EZTM is ready to consider any requests beyond our usual range of supply. We are ready to manufacture any irregular products according to individual technical tasks and drawings the customers may provide, considering their specific needs.